Welcome back to the channel, guys. This time I'm very excited to bring you the new chips by Outdoor Tech. They're gonna be called the Chips 15 because this is on their 15th anniversary. And the chips are pretty much the product that, started the whole thing, right? So they are celebrating their 15th anniversary. And with that, they're getting us a new version of the chips. Now, do remember that this is the new version. The previous ones are the Chips 3.0 and the Chips Ultra 2.0, which are completely wireless. But on this video, I'm gonna set you guys up with the Chips 15. We're gonna open the box to see what is inside and what exactly you can do with them. So the main idea for the chips, it's for you to slide them into your audio pockets in your ski helmet. And with the big buttons, you don't have to take your gloves off in order to actually press the buttons. So you can answer your phone, you can call Siri, you can change music, you can skip forward, skip backwards, raise or lower the volume, all with just the press of the buttons, right? So we're gonna take a quick look-see at the box over here. It says, Chips 15, wireless helmet audio. They are only Bluetooth. They will not connect through a cable. You can do music, phone, Siri, or Google Assistant. They also have a customized sound for a better experience. You can download an app to, customize the sound of your chips in a very, very personalized way, or use one of the templates they have. They also are part of the Conservation Alliance, which that means that a portion of this sale goes to protecting the wildlands and places that we play. So this one is an easy touch, one-touch controls, eco-friendly. The box, in the back, it says a little bit over here. It's premium sound quality, fast charging, customized sound with their app. It's full control with just the tap of a button. And it's compatible with most helmets that have audio pockets. It's a sweat and water resistant. It will have a talk or play time of 15 hours. It's cold temperature resistant because we're gonna use them for skiing. And it has a carrying pouch included. You can do everything with just one button. So I'm gonna do the honors over here and open them up. This is what you guys will see. You will find the chips right in front of you. You will pull this tab or break it like I just did. And then we can actually take them out of the packaging. So the Outdoor Tech guys are actually coming back to the original colors, which is gonna be black with red accents, and the cable is also, it's gonna be red, right? So after you take your chips out of the box, you will find over here the carrying pouch. So this is a amazing addition. So this way you can just, after the ski season is over, you can, slide them off over here. It's a magnetic pouch and, be able to actually carry them around with your gear, which is amazing. Also inside the box, you will find, we will find the basics, the user manual, and the swag for the ODT sticker, so you can stick it on your board. And important, the power cord. The power cord is gonna be USB-C to USB-C, so you can charge your chips. I'm gonna take them out of the packaging now so you guys can see it really quickly. And if I'm able to actually figure that one out. All right, there you go. Alrighty, so the idea for this, guys, is for you to actually take the chips out of the package and insert them into your ski helmet. You're gonna put them into your audio pockets. And as you guys can see over here, they have big buttons. So with just one press of a button, you can just press and hold, and they will immediately power on. They will start pairing, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much how it works. Here is the charging port, and here is the microphone port, because you can also take calls with that. So this is pretty much the chips. It's a quick video, but I do have some other swag that I wanted to show you. And it's a big step because, they are celebrating the 15th anniversary for Outdoor Tech, and they are renewing the product that, started it all, which are the chips. So as you guys can see, you can put it in your little pocket over here. and you can, clip it to your backpack or clip it to your gear, so you will always have them with you, ready to, shred some snow right there. Besides that, guys, I also brought you the Total Shell 4.0, fan favorite, great sound, small packaging. You can connect as many as you want. I think up to 50 of them at the same time. And they're completely waterproof. You can drop them into your pool. They will float, all that good stuff. We also have the Bullfrog right here. This one, it's a massive speaker with massive bass. And also, it's waterproof. It has great battery life. And my personal favorite, and the ones that I'm recording this video with, are the Orbit. So the Orbit are great noise canceling headphones. You also get an app in order to customize the sound, which is great. It has a traveling case, and you can also use them wired. So basically what I use them for, it's pretty much every day, right? So I go on a walk with my doggy in the park. I can, listen to music or listen to my podcast. And once I come home and, later at night, I want to game a little bit, you can actually just plug them in directly into your controller for Xbox or PS5. And there you go. You have a gaming headset. So it works perfectly fine for pretty much everything that you can think of. So those are the Chips 15. I wanted to give you guys a quick introduction and a quick unboxing. So you guys can actually pick them up on their website, and you will find them on their helmet audio. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys have any questions, any concerns, any love comments, they're more than welcome and well received. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I do hope you guys have a great day, and I do hope you enjoy the ski season, which is right now. So hurry up and pick them up before they run out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye-bye.